And welcome everyone to Glaze of the Week. Isn't this an amazing week? Mine's certainly been shaken all upside down. Just yesterday, I was involved in a car accident and my car was totaled. Unfortunately, it's going to be a big clash, big hit for my family. We've lost our van to drive around in, so we'll be walking everywhere from now on. Unfortunately, but we are trying to stay positive and trying to keep positive thoughts on mind. Fortunately, everyone was okay. My two little babies did not get hurt, and our three visitors that were in the car as well did not get hurt, and the person in the other car did not get hurt as well. So we are happy that we are alive and healthy. Very shaken up, a bit sore. I knocked my hand and my thumb was not dislocated, but it's gotten quite a bit of pain. Something happened. I don't know why, but we are alive and we are healthy. So we are counting our blessings and trying to stay positive despite the downfalls throughout this week. But we are here today for you. We are here with a glaze of the week. Today I have another earthenware glaze recipe ready for you as part of our series of glaze of the week. This is also in promotion of our ebook series, magazine series online called Glaze, which we are running through our Patreon page. So if you are a patron of the Clay Station podcast, then you will be able to receive very shortly monthly ebook magazines. So this is our incentive program, as little freebies that come along with that. So people can do donations from $1, $5, or $10, depending on how generous you are. And this also all goes into making our quality production better and better for you. So I hope I can do more and more and bring more freebies along to you guys. And I'm hoping in the future to do giveaways. But yeah, let's see how things go. Step by step, baby steps, but we are surely staying positive and working towards our goals, even if we do have to make some sacrifices along the way. But I'm here for you and here to provide you with technical information. Okay, so let's get into it. Which earthenware glaze recipe do I have for you today? I have another metallic glaze recipe. Again, this is not a food safe glaze recipe, so do not use this on anything food related. No fruit bowls, okay? No plates or platters with this one. It is purely a sculptural glaze. So this is a gunmetal metallic glaze. This is a second variation of it that we've been able to get. And we're using two different frits, calcined alumina and kaolin as our clay body, along with silica and then various oxides to go with that. As you can see, it's very high in manganese and also including copper and nickel. Because it's so high in manganese, it makes it a very oxide heavy glaze. So that's why it is primarily not food safe. So please be careful about that and take that into note. And also make sure that you do all your tests that you need to do. Let's see. Let me show you on camera what this glaze looks like, our test tile. So I just wanted, before I do that, I wanted to let you know last week I brought to you a gold glaze recipe, and when I showed you our glaze test on camera, I didn't appear very gold. but that's mostly due to the color grading of my camera at the moment. Because I'm using the green screen in these videos, it's very hard to show an exact color. So it looked very dark and the light was not shining at a correct angle to bring out the vibrance in that glaze. So I do apologize for that. Some might have been confused saying, oh, it's a gold glaze, but it looked very dark. Just looked like a dark glaze on there. It didn't look very gold, but yeah, I do apologize. That's due to my camera issues, but we're working through this together. We're learning together as a community. So that's what we're here for, to learn about all this technical stuff together. And I am happy to bring any technical information that I already know to you, especially about glazes. So let's have a look at this one. This one is gunmetal glaze. Let me try to make it straight for you. There we go. Turning that. Now, do you see those little pivots? Little, what are they, dimples or little spots on the surface? That is what I really like about this gunmetal glaze. I have another gunmetal glaze in earthenware and it wrinkles up, but it doesn't get these spots. So for me, it has a very metal, or like a vintage metal look to it. Like it's aging, like it's rusting. It's not a iron rust look, but it's definitely has an aged or a vintage look to it. So I really like that about this glaze. And there you go. So that's our gunmetal glaze. Waiting for the camera to readjust. Thank you very much. And I hope you're able to enjoy that. I won't take up too much of your time. And I'd like to say thank you very much for tuning in and watching Glaze of the Week. Subscribe to our channel and to our playlist so that you may be able to be informed amongst the first of our glazes of the week. So we're going to be doing this on a weekly basis, and next week I'll be bringing to you another earthenware glaze, not a metallic glaze, but this will be a very pink glaze. So pink is one of the hardest colors to get right in ceramics, and at a lower earthenware temperature it's also very difficult. And I'll be bringing one glaze recipe that I absolutely love because it's a beautiful powdery pink glaze. It's not a flat muted color. It's very bright and vibrant, but it's not in your face. It's very calm and beautiful glaze. So I'm very happy to bring that glaze to you next week, so stay tuned for that. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a blessed week. I'll see you next time.